What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well today. In this video I'm talking about this power bank I've been using for a while. This is the Xiaomi 3-watt power bank, 20,000 mAh power with an integrated cable. If you depend on your phone every day, or if you live in a place where power can go off anytime, this kind of power bank is very important. It's not luxury, it's something you actually need. So let's take a calm look at it and talk about the power bank and what it offers. Now let's talk about the first look and the design. First thing you notice is the design. The color is milky white, almost like a chrome. It has a matte finish, so it doesn't shine too much and it doesn't collect much fingerprints easily. When you hold it, it feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. This power bank feels strong and durable. It doesn't feel hollow or cheap. It has some weight to it, which lets you know there's a serious battery inside. This is the kind of power bank you can put in your bag and not worry too much, and it's very lightweight. Not the lightest weight, but it's very compactable. So what's inside the box? Now let's talk about what you get in the box. Inside the box, when you open the box, you will only see two main things: the power bank and the user manual. That's all. No extra cable, no pouches, nothing else. And honestly, that's okay, because the most important thing is already attached to the power bank, integrated the cable and ports only. Now let's talk about the integrated cables and the ports. This power bank comes with a built-in USB cable. This means you don't have to carry a separate cable around. Just grab the power bank, plug it inside your phone and charge in start. Apart from the built-in cable, it also has a one USB-A port and one USB port, so you can charge more than one device at a time. You can even use this power bank to charge smartphones. You can use it to charge anything you want, like tablet, earbud, phone, even smaller laptops. So it depends on what you want to charge. Now let's talk about the battery capacity. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank. In simple terms, that's a lot of power depending on your phone. You can charge most phones 3 times to 4 times. Right now I'm using Samsung phone, so you can charge the power bank can charge my Samsung phones more than 4 times. Smaller phones can even get more charges. This is very useful when you are traveling or during long power outages. Now let's talk about the fast charging, which is at 3-watt. The power bank supports 3-watt fast charging, so your phone doesn't just charge, it charges fast. Maybe sometimes you can call it super fast. If your phone supports fast charging, it also supports fast charging when charging the power bank itself, so you don't have to wait like all day to charge the power bank. On the body of the power bank, there are 4 small light indicators. This light indicator shows the battery percentage. There is also a clickable button on the side. When you press this button, the light indicator lights up on and show you how much battery is left. When you connect the device to charge, you will hear a small click sound. The click sound lets you know when charging has started properly. It's a small detail, but it's very useful. And let's talk about the low voltage part. One feature I really like is low voltage charging. This means the power bank can safely charge small devices like earbuds, Bluetooth speakers, smartwatch, and other small gadget that doesn't consume too much power. You don't have to worry about damaging them. This makes the power bank very versatile and longer, and it can even stay longer when it doesn't matter whether you are charging your phone. The purpose of this low voltage charging, it makes the power bank last longer for you in particular. Now let's talk about charging the power bank. Charging the power bank itself from empty to full takes around 4 hours to 5 hours for around 20,000 power bank. That is very reasonable. Once it's fully charged, you are good for days, depending on how you use it. Daily use experience. In daily use, this power bank is very reliable. You just press the side button, check the battery level, plug in your device, and that's it. No complicated setup, no confusion. It just works like that. Now let's talk about this. This power bank is for who? The power bank is good for students, workers, content creators, travelers, anyone who with unstable power supply. If you use your phone a lot, this is something you would appreciate in the future. So my final thought on the product. So let's wrap it up. The Xiaomi power bank offers lots of things. So it comes with a 20,000 mAh power battery, 3-fast charging, built-in USB Type-C, multiple ports, 4 indicator lights, side button control, low voltage charging for small devices, strong and durable build, clean matte milky white design. It's very simple, reliable, and practical, and it's very portable. It may not be flashy, but it does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what power bank you are currently using. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And please don't forget to watch some of my videos. I'm also going to do a follow-up video about the 22.5 watt power bank of this particular caliber. This is the bigger version of that particular power bank. I'm going to do video for the smaller one, so maybe in the next week you're going to see that one. So don't forget to watch some of my videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye.